Is it from Yantan? Yes. How many kilometers has it been driven? 800 kilometers. Come to me for maintenance. I heard you use FSD for this car. What is the effect? Very good. I have run 40,000 kilometers from February to now. All of them are FSD. Does FSD mean that you just enter the destination? Enter the destination. You don't have to turn the steering wheel with your hands. Sometimes you only need this. With the help of the steering wheel, the high-speed effect is better. The high-speed effect is very good. The expressway is very good because I basically run on the expressway. But the actual situation is not good because the overall route planning is very good in all aspects. Because after using this thing, the whole habit of playing the piano has changed. Basically, 98% of the time when I play the piano, the FSD is running. Occasionally, at some intersections, like entering your parking space and arriving at this parking space, I will take over the main road to your yard and drive to this door, and it will open completely. The traffic lights of Jiangdong Cabinet are no problem now. The traffic lights can now be recognized and are very courteous. It is beyond the standard of ordinary people. It is very good. It is a good driver in China. It immediately started to slow down and turn to give way to motor vehicles, non-motorized vehicles and pedestrians. If this is how you feel, this FSD means that if you are driving, sooner or later it will replace this. It is really a driver with shoes, and it is really, really safe. It is really safe. There was a blueprint before, and I also tried Huawei's bracket. It's all okay, but overall this car is pretty good, not bad. Thank you. Thank you.